Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'm just gonna do a little quick review on this thermostat from the Vanguard, aka Mack trucks and Volvo. So here's what we got. I got two of them. According to my model and year of the truck, you use two thermostats. And this is what they print out for me. Okay, so you guys can see it goes, let me zoom in, just right there. Okay, there's two of them, so I might have to take this apart. All right, unscrew this whole thing. Look how many screws I gotta get rid of. All right, and put these two new ones that I just purchased, and I guess I don't know, get better, you may get worse, I don't know. The problem that I have right now, guys, is my temperature is really low and my oil pressure is pretty high when I'm idling, but when I'm running, everything's cool. I mean, nothing too crazy, but you know, let's find out if it gets better or worse. So here are the thermostats. Okay, all right, this is what we're getting whenever you guys run into this kind of issues. This is what it needs to look for. There's a kit. It has the whole gasket. Okay, just keep an eye on it, make sure you get what you want. You get what you want. All right. So they're both the same. I'll open the other one. That way you guys know. And now this one, these two thermostat guys, this guy sold it to me individually. So it came up about, oh, this one makes noise. Might have to check the other one. That's no good. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Yeah, let me open the other one before we move forward, because I don't know, it's supposed to make that little, oh, it does. I was getting a little nervous there. I don't want to install a bad part on my truck, probably get worse. But there's the thing, according to Vanguard, they sell it as a kit, so it'll be more expensive, but I got these two individually. All right, and it came up to about well, here's the thing, I'll show you the receipt. That way there's no issues. Okay, thermostat, you guys can see it, thermostat, and 153, guys, look. Okay, now if you buy the kit, this individually, right, individual thermostat kit, if you buy the kit, the way they sell it, it comes about 190, 200 plus. So just be ready for that, guys. Be ready, and this kind of issues you're gonna run to if you got a thermostat problem or temperature issues on the truck, you know. So this is just a little quick review, guys, you know, give you a heads up, get ready for this, and I hope you guys enjoy this content. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Any questions or comments, please leave down below, and I'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.